Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing the unboxing of this SteelSeries Stratus Duo controller here. Y'all guys can see right here. So I got this in the mail via FedEx. I had to get this controller replaced because the thumbsticks were not working properly. So hopefully this controller will work like it's supposed to. So this is what the box looks like here. Y'all guys can see SteelSeries right down top. There's a controller, Stratus Duo, which means it works with Android and Windows. That's pretty cool, and also works with VR as well. So it has 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and wired USB connections there. So pretty nice looking box there. There's the right side of the box. There's the back of the box to show you guys everything that comes with the box and feeders and stuff like that. Then the left side of the box will have all this stuff here. So pretty cool there. This has this pull tab here. Let me go ahead and bring it like I did the first one. There you go, just break the box. So comes in this white box here, then take the box out. Comes in this box here, you guys see right there, rise up. Then I'll have SteelSeries Stratus Duo there on top, so let's open it. And there it is, the controller. See, my issue was that the thumbsticks were not working, but they were not broke or anything. They just would not register my input, so take this controller out the box. So this is the controller. Very nice looking controller. You guys will have your thumbsticks here, your A, B, X, and Y buttons on the right, share button, home button, and your pause button. Then you have your lights on top for batteries and stuff like that, and your D-pad here. On the top is your triggers, L1, L2, R1, L2. Then here you guys will have your switches for power and wireless or Bluetooth, and then your charging port there, and you guys have your battery indicator there and stuff like that. Very nice looking controller. It comes with the dongle to where you guys can plug it in your PC to play games with it. Of course, take out the box is your charging cable right there. Then you guys will get your manuals and stuff like that right here. So yeah, there's the unboxing of the Stratus Duo controller from SteelSeries. So the controller will work. So yeah, this is the unboxing portion of the video. So if you guys enjoyed that, give it a thumbs up. Part 2 of my unboxing of the SteelSeries Stratus Duo. So in this part of this video, I will show you guys that my replacement controller does indeed work. So I'm on the Gamepad Tester if you guys want to check this out. The link will be down below if you guys want to check this out. So yeah, my controller does work. You guys can see it shows up as the Xbox controller. I don't know why that is, but you guys can see that all the buttons now work on this controller. So the right analog works just fine. Left analog just work just fine. A, B, X, and Y work just fine. Share and pause work. R1, R1, R2, L1, L2, and the D-pad works just as fine as well. And let me scroll down here. Let's show you guys that the D-pad, the analog sticks does work. So if you guys want to test that, you just go in a circle. So you guys can see it picked it all up. The right thumbstick. See? Because my original controller was not doing that. The buttons would work just fine, minus the thumbsticks that would not work for some reason. I don't know if I got a defective controller or what. But so far it seems like it's doing what it's supposed to do. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot. peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.